Hey guys, Dion here, back with another unboxing. And today we have something special. This is the COWIN E7 Bluetooth wireless headphones. Now these have been acclaimed by many as a very high quality, very good value, lower end headphone, wireless headphone. This I got off Amazon at about $40. $40. Originally they were around 80. But there was a promo and I was able to snag it for cheap. But yeah, so the box is wrapped in this plastic wrap, which is nice. And there's nothing much here. Okay. So let's get the Batman knife out and start opening this up. All right. So comes in a nice black plastic, sorry, not plastic, cardboard box, and it looks nice. Presentation wise, it looks very clean. It's like a matte. It's not like shiny and like only the actual stuff is shiny. The actual pictures and stuff. I like this box. It's nice. So as we open it, let's see what's inside. Wait, if it wants to open. All right. So nothing in here. Right. So it comes with a nice thank you, which is always a nice little touch. $1 for UNICEF. Thank you for your purchase and some other stuff. All right. So first thing, it comes with a nice little faux leather bag. It feels nice. Feels pretty quality, I gotta say. It's not extremely padded, but it should be enough. Yeah. And it should fit the headphones pretty well. We'll find out in a second. Put that over here. Here are the actual headphones. So I got the black variation. There's also a blue and a red. Personally, the blue and red look a little tacky to me, but everyone has their own personal taste. So let's take that out. Here we have a 3.5 millimeter jack, audio jack. So you can hardwire this into your sound source if you run out of batteries or something like that. This is a micro to regular USB A, and this is to charge the headphones. And on the bottom there's a user guide, and I think that's pretty much it for the box. Let's put that away. And look at this. All right, so first thing, they're black. Right, they're black. They have these chrome accents here and there. And it looks like there's some controls here. Looks like there's an LED indicator right here. But it's very glossy. I'm not a huge fan of glossiness, but everyone has their own tastes. They swivel. I think this is 90 degrees, right? Swivel 90 degrees. So they'll fit in with whatever. They lie flat. I think that'll be important once we try putting it in the bag. Let's see. The adjustments, they're clicky, pretty solid. They feel a little vague, but it should be good enough for pretty much everybody. And it's nice that it's made of metal. The band is straight up metal all the way around. Now the cushioning here is very plush, extremely plush. So this feels very nice. It's not heavy. I want to say I don't have the specs on me right now. Maybe in a later review I can post that all. But it's gonna be around. It's maybe a pound. A pound might be even pushing it. I might be wrong. Yeah, maybe it's a little more than a pound. But yeah, it feels very light. But with this cushioning here on the headrest, and then let's flip it this way. Here on the ear, where your ears are going to rest, they aren't the softest thing ever, right? I think you'll have better with the Bose, but with the quality with the amount you're paying, this is going to be comfortable. And having worn one of these before, they isolate sound extremely well, and they're pretty comfy, easy for flights. Easy for the office or for studying, whatever it may be. And here we have the right indicator. Oh, we can't see that. The right indicator and the left indicator. So there's that. And yeah, let's see if there's anything else. All right, so there's pretty much 3 ways to connect your headphones. First is Bluetooth. Obviously, this is a Bluetooth headphone. Second is the audio jack that I showed you guys earlier, and that's right over here. And the third way is NFC. So NFC, if you have a smartphone that has this enabled, you just tap it on, and then that finishes the pairing process. It's very fast and very easy. Right. So that's right here. Over here we have the play. This little button, white button here that looks like a play button, is a play button. It's the play, pause, or the answer the call button. This is volume down. This is volume up. This is also previous and next track. On the other side, there's not much here. This might be an LED indicator, and might not be. I don't think it is. Doesn't seem like it is from the papers. Here we have off. This is the power switch. We have off, Bluetooth, and NC. And then we have the mic over here as well. It's kind of hard to see. Then we have the audio jack, micro USB, and then this is the LED indicator here. So this will be red. Sorry, this will be the LED indicator. And yeah, it's pretty much straightforward. It's like every other Bluetooth headphone. You just plug it onto Bluetooth, connect it to your phone. Pretty easy. Yeah, I mean, this is just an unboxing, so I'm not going to go too in depth with all that stuff. In a future review, I will definitely go more in depth with everything. And let's try putting it into the pouch that they provided us with. And it looks like it fits in pretty well. I don't think folding helps actually. So let's try just leaving it this way. And not the easiest thing, it seems, but it looks like it's gonna fit, and it does. All right, so this is with the ear cups normal. If you want it swiveled, then it kind of fits. Oh, there we go. So it does fit. It fits perfectly. Just zip it up this way. Not the best seal, I don't think. But that's because the ear cups are flat right now. And yeah, one thing I was noticing while I was doing that is that you really feel all the weight on the ear cups and not much weight on the band itself, which is nice. But it does feel a little flimsy, which is going to be good for comfort-wise, but I'm not sure how long that's going to last the actual headphones. It feels pretty solid. It springs back into action really well, right? So yeah, I guess only time will tell. But yeah, IGN has rated this pretty highly, and I've got recommendations from other people as well that these are pretty solid headphones. And yeah, they're noise canceling, so once you put them on, turn it on, and you'll use the mics around to actively cancel out the noise around you. So yeah, works very well. I've used a friend's before, as I said before. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you have a question, leave them down below in the comment box. And in the description, I'll also put the link to this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.